Hi guys, it's been 20 years since the first Tucson rolled out from factory lanes. Now the crossover is in the 4th generation. Not for too long, according to the latest reports, the company got used its fans to new models every 5 or 6 years. The current Tucson is from 2020. So we can already think about the redesign and the 5th generation. Here, rumors are gaining more attention since the all-new 2025 Hyundai Tucson has been spied on recently. Since test mules are on the roads, the 2025 Hyundai Tucson facelift seems real. Heavy camouflage is hiding new parts. An updated grille should draw even more attention than the one on the current model. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid is more than competitive, and further upgrades could make it the most desirable vehicle in the market. The redesign of the interior needs to provide extra comfort, although it is hard to complete such a task on a compact vehicle. All in all, the next-gen 2025 Tucson, with all the interior and exterior changes and hybrid engine, is the crossover whose debut we can't wait to see in 2024. If you want to know everything about the 2025 Hyundai Tucson, watch this video until the end, because in this video we have mentioned the new Hyundai Tucson, including its release date, price, trim level, features, and more. Guys, liking our videos and subscribing will be great motivation and support for us. 2025 Hyundai Tucson facelift details interior redesign. Several respectable magazines published spy photos of the new Tucson, so we can definitely expect something. The company wouldn't hide parts if there are no changes on the body. And Tucson was relatively recently updated. The new version debuted as the 2020M. But the frequency of changes in the compact crossover class is shorter than in any other segment. Plus, Hyundai launches all new Tucson every 5-6 years through its history. Panels are hiding all the things we want to know about the all-new vehicle. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson facelift seems to bring the most changes on the fascia. Revolutionary design of the current edition is eye-catching. Fans can't wait to see how the new 2025 IM is going to beat that. Minor modifications of the tail and side of the crossover will also make it more aerodynamic. The 2025 Hyundai Tucson interior is already packed with a lot of advanced options. With extra equipment, the entry-level C version might already cost $30,000 with destination and other fees. The crossover might get a larger touchscreen display and maybe a vertical orientation. The inline is the sporty package. We hope the future Tucson will take it to the next level. With the performance engine, I-limited package uses the most advanced options Hyundai is packing in its vehicles: specs, hybrid mileage, FEV system. The main drivetrain for the 2025 Hyundai Tucson is a 2.5-liter petrol mill. The company will continue to deliver crossover with this mill unless they decide to go only with a hybrid. Experts think it is too early to drop petrol units. In the rest of the world, the Tucson is going to be available with different power plants, including diesel configurations. A 2.5-liter engine is ready to deliver 187 horsepower. For now, that is enough for a compact crossover. However, in the future, engineers need to think about a more potent setup. Since some rivals are already offering 200 horsepower, the performance of this Tucson is not impressive. It needs 10 seconds for a 0-60 on peak acceleration, and EPA rates the gas mileage at 23.5 mpg. The next-gen model should be lighter and more aesthetic, but it won't make some huge bumps to the fuel economy. But you can gain nearly 20 miles more per gallon if you select the 2025 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. Even if engineers don't do anything and carry over the current setup, owners of such system can count on 44 mpg. There is also a power upgrade. A hybrid model is ready to deliver 226 HP. A 1.6-liter engine is the center of the battery-supported system. That is not all. The 2025 Tucson FEV is pushing the limits of the configuration even further. With it, you can get 262 HP and 36 mpg combined. And the plug-in hybrid system can run 33 miles by using the power from the electric motor only. Hyundai Tucson years to avoid. The goal of the all-new Tucson is to become one of the best-selling models in the USA. Hyundai is on the good way. Since not too long time ago, it wasn't considered as a leader in the automotive world. The crossover is going into a new generation, and reliability is one of the keys to success. The 3rd generation made a breakthrough with design and performance, and the next one kept the vehicle on the same level. Now, it is time to become even better. If we talk about the next release date of the 2025 Hyundai Tucson, then we will tell you that the exact release date has not been set. But according to some reports, we expect the next Hyundai Tucson to go on sale in mid-2024. And if that happens, you will be able to book your bookings for it by the end of 2024. And when Honda Motors announces the release date, we will report it here. If you like the video, you can subscribe to the channel right now and join the Crynos family. Thanks for watching, and special thanks for being with us.